When you get any new piece of automation, you always wonder if it's going to perform as it says on the tin. But in both cases, it's been excellent, and we've become really reliant on the Apple launch. For example, now it's just BAU. It's just a launch. But before, we were planning 3 months with shifts, staff. We could work up to 22 hours a day to cope with the volume, and now we just do it within our working hours. We've got a very good working relationship with Axiom. Obviously, Vera retail automation was introduced first, and because of our relationship and how well the installation went, they were the only people we looked at for our B2C automation. Axiom worked hand in hand with us all the way through with no impact to BAU. The guys that did the installation, they worked really well. We didn't have any issues with the installation, from their software, from their training. To be fair, it was seamless.